What's on?
Speciale TOSM.
What's on?
Good morning. We are here today with Mr. Derek Winskill, IT Director of Hanson. Hanson is an important global company based in UK, working in the industry of building material. What we would first of all, welcome to the TOSM. What we would like to ask you is to give us a brief, short presentation of your company and tell us what are the key ICT projects that you are working on, and then I will have some question about specifically the ICT Italian market. Thank you.
Okay, Hanson's a building materials company. We specialize in the aggregate, concrete, cement industry. So we dig stuff out of the ground and make it into building materials, including bricks, concrete pipes, concrete products, etc. We're a global company with 55,000 employees with a turnover 11.5 billion euros per year. We have our main markets in the in Europe are in Germany and the UK currently. We also have a large presence in Asia, in Australia and in North America. Over the past 3 years, Hanson's been bought by the Heidelberg Cement Group, so the two companies have been working together to come up with a IT strategy globally going forward, which is based on a global infrastructure team that is hosted out of Germany, where we have the responsible for data center operations and networks. But regionally, in every country, we have separate IT support teams that provide the help desk support and the country-specific business applications. So we don't have a global set of applications we use. In each market we go to, we try to find local suppliers of local applications that support the needs there. Payroll and HR are examples that are different in every country, and one solution that fits the world will not work for us. So over the past few years we've consolidated the number of applications, and if I use the UK as an example of where we had 4 different administration applications for our finance and HR teams, and we reduced that to 2 applications in one centre, and in the process we were able to save costs and reduce money and expenditure by having it all in one location with less applications to support. But at the same time we were then able to help the business to reduce the way they process the applications through smarter use of IT and partnering with companies that would enable us to produce scanning and workflow applications. We were able to mean that there were less staff required in customer administration, so we could focus on better servicing our customers. So we've developed customer portals so that customers can log in and see all of their documentations and find out more about their accounts with Hanson. What we're looking for over the next few years, now we've gone through a period of consolidation, is to look at how we can expand into other markets and find other IT partners that can help us provide the applications for the future so we can have better workflow in our business. We have a huge logistics challenge. In the UK, for example, we have over 270 distribution sites where we have to distribute our products from, and we need to know that we're providing often perishable goods delivered on time, and we have better technology that will help us provide for the customer and deliver to them on time and prove that we've delivered it on time. So we're looking for technologies such as barcode scanning of deliveries and more logistics management of how we manage those deliveries and get them out there.
Thank you very much. So I know that you have been meeting a few companies, a few providers that are attending this convention so far. So what's your perception so far? I mean, have you found anything that can meet the needs of your company? Without telling us the brand, of course, but let's talk about the solution and your perception about possible emerging ideas and solutions that you found so far here.
Well, this event's been great for meeting many suppliers already this morning, and some of them have come up with some solutions that would be of use to me, but there's been 1 or 2 who have come up with some really fantastic ideas about how they can supply hardware and software services and integration services that could make the solutions that they offer work with the systems that we've already got, and there's some very exciting opportunities out there and some really good companies to work with that seem to understand the business problems that we're trying to solve and have technology that can support it. So not just technology for the sake of technology, but they understand my business, what the problems I have, and how they can help me solve those. So it's been really good.
Oh, that's a good news. So far, so good.
Yes.
And so, do you have any? Because working a global market is a big challenge for local providers, of course. Do you have any suggestion that you can give to the local providers to work with a company like yours?
The key thing for local companies is to try and understand the business of what we do and what our drivers are. Customer service is hugely important to us, and anything that a local supplier can do to help us improve our customer service is going to be the thing that drives us and makes them different. For us, it's all about reducing the cost to service the customer, but doing it in the best way possible so that the customer knows that they are so important to us. And technologies that open up our supply chain, that give our customers more information about what we can offer and give us the ability to deliver better to them are the key things that are going to make it different. It's that understanding of our business that's important to us. If a supplier can understand our business, we can work with them a lot better.
The suggestion is really to understand the business of a company and to help, to give support, the real support to the companies.
It's about tailoring the IT solutions you've got and making them relevant to each different business.
Okay. Yes. Do you have any question for Mr. Derek? No questions. So I would like to thank you very much. The participation of an international company here is very important for the TOSM because it helps to give a broad perception and a broad perspective to this convention. So thank you very much and have a nice TOSM.
Thank you.
What's on? Speciale TOSM.
What's on?